With the Virginia Citizen Defense League Lobby Day 2020 fast approaching on January 20th, one of your delegates in Virginia has said that their first order of business after they take their oath on January 8th is to make the Capitol and the grounds a gun-free zone to stop parts of your rally, at least the freedom part. Stick by and watch the next episode of Guns and Gadgets. Hey everybody, welcome back to Guns and Gadgets, your source for Second Amendment news. Just wanted to do a quick static video for those who did not watch the live stream last night. There's a couple things going on in Virginia you might have heard. There's a list right there floating above my head, a playlist, and one that'll be in the description. Check those. There's news constantly being updated about what's going on in Virginia with all the anti-gun stuff coming down the pike. And the new delegates take their oath on the 8th. The oath that says, I will support and defend the Constitution. And then this Eileen Filler Korn, isn't she a beaut? She has said their first order of business is going to work on making the Capitol and the grounds a gun-free zone. Why would they want to do that? Well, Virginia is one of a handful of states that still allows its citizens to carry in the State House. It's been a tradition for hundreds of years, and it's never been a problem. However, these anti-gunners know that they're pissing everybody off, so the first thing I want to do is make sure they have a safety bubble, a gun-free zone, because nothing ever happens in gun-free zones. But they don't trust you, is basically what they're telling you. So if you are going to attend the Virginia Citizen Defense League Lobby Day 2020, you're going to want to follow this news, and the outcome of this will be right here on this channel. I'll also be talking about this Friday. I'll have the president of the VCDL, Phil Van Cleve, right here live on another live stream. Stay tuned for the time for Friday. But a lot of stuff's coming down the pike, and you're going to want to stay in the know, especially if you're going there or if you're from there. And you can help yourself do that by subscribing to Guns and Gadgets. This is the place you're going to find the Second Amendment news, no matter where it takes place, right here. So after you hear your speakers there at the Lobby Day 2020, you're going to go into the Capitol, and leaders of the VCDL will show you to where they want you to go talk to some of the legislators to lobby for the Second Amendment. And make sure you stop by this lady's office. That's all. Just a quick update here on Christmas Eve Day. I hope you all have a fantastic one with your families. Until we see each other again, be safe, stay vigilant, and carry a weapon. Take care, everybody.